This is Lance Valentine, your roving adventurer reporter, atop Flo's Rocky Peak. It's January 14th, 2019. Flo's Rocky Peak. Give you a quick 360. Castle Dome and Little Dome. There's the antenna. The road that I just came up is right down here, looking to the south and west towards beautiful Green Valley. My house somewhere over here. Now panning west and up towards the majestic Santa Ritas with Florida Peak, snow covered as you can see. Mount Wrightson blocked. Completing a 360 to the south, over towards Miller Peak to the east, the Mustang Mountains, the Biscuit, and notorious Apache Peak. And going all the way over to Rincon and Mike Mountain. And the solar panel, as you can see. For Lance Valentine and Channel 3 Eyewitness News, I'm signing off from the top of Flo's Rocky Knob. Stay with us, folks.